Savvy Serena. Today we are doing the May 2019 plan with me. Mainly working from is the Happy Planner seasonal stickers. Feel like spring here, even though spring happened in March. So I'm going to do a Hello Spring sticker up here. Little sticker that says Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is on the 12th. So I'm going to put that up in the corner so I remember that day. Flowers to put on the other side, because right now everything is in such bloom with the flowers. Put some flowers over here. A little today sticker because I want to remember Memorial Day, because normally I do like a little cookout, even if it's just me and Ed. I normally do a cookout that day. A little sticker that says look for the rainbow. Sticker here that's got flowers on it. I can always make that a little list thing for my cookout if I need to. Month I'd like to go to the farmer's market, so I'm going to put that there to kind of remind me when I look. Flowers that I'm going to stick up here because this is kind of bare. Flowers blooming, I'm going to put bloom baby bloom, a little sticker right here. Okay, I've got Dollar Tree stickers that I'm going to use to mark the birthdays for this month. I've got one on the 10th. I've got one on the 13th. On the 13th. And I've got one on the 22nd. They're all boys, so I'm trying to find a boy color. I really don't have any more boy colors. I'll have to do another yellow one. That was what, the 22nd? And then normally what I do is I take this is a fine tip Sharpie, and I'll put their names in there so that way I don't forget them. All I'm going to do, I don't have any appointments right now as I know of, so I'm not going to put any of that in, because I would normally go in and put any appointments that Ed would have in here or me, so that way I would keep track of them. So this is another simple, easy, beginner plan with me for a month. I think it looks great. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, because you giving me the thumbs up lets me know you want me to keep doing them, and you're definitely letting me know that you want me to do these monthly plan with me. So y'all come back now. You hear?